Hello. Today I'm going to go through the basic functions of MemoryNS, so you know how to quickly navigate through the website. Today we will focus on logging in, homepage items such as the plus button, quick links, and browsing, as well as searching with the explore function and how to move forward while you're searching. Archival description functions such as how to move items, how to edit, how to delete, and the drop-down menus in your archival description form. The goal of this video is to understand how to navigate through MemoryNS without issue. I will show you on the website. First, type memoryns.ca into your search bar and you'll see this first screen. And on the right side of the screen, you're able to log in. And you can enter your email and your password. My information is already present, so I can just log in. I recommend doing this because it allows you to see all of the functions within MemoryNS, including draft versions of archival description and authority records. If you look at the bar on the top right-hand side of your screen, you'll see the Add or Plus button, which allows you to add your archival descriptions and your authority records, as well as the Quick Links button, which allows you to get help or watch tutorial videos that will be helpful for you. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the Browse options. There's Browse on the home page as well as in the drop-down menu. These contain the same information as archival descriptions, archival institutions, names or authority records, subjects, places, and digital objects. Now that we've done that, let's do a basic search in the search box. So when I do a basic search for Lynn Jones, you'll see that an entire list comes up related to her. Let's click on the first link. If you look on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see Browse as a List and Browse Digital Objects. Let's look Browse as a List. This gives you the full list of all the items related to Lynn Jones. And the first one is the font level or top level description. This tells you all the related information about her, especially on the left-hand side of the screen in the Holdings function. But if we look back to the Explore function, Browse Digital Objects, we can see all images that are represented within this font. To see the next page, click the Next button. This is how you move forward and back when you're looking at digital objects or going through lists on MemoryNS. So now that we've done a basic search, let's look at filling out parts of an archival description. I have created an example font for us to look at while we're going through these steps. If you can look at this bottom bar, these have important features such as edit, delete, move, and more. And I'll go through each one. The editing allows you to edit each section within the form. And it allows you to save. Delete allows you to delete said archival description. And moving is a very important function when you're adding a lot of series within your font. You can enter a subsection of your font and move it within said font without too much problem. And then you click this and you're able to move it. Another way to move items within your series is to actually just move them with this 3 dashes that you see here, and you can move items within the font. This is helpful if you have minimal things that you need to move, and then the moving function allows you to move items if you have a lot in a font. And under More, this is a very helpful tool for you as you want to update your publication status from a draft or to published, because the published means that if you're not logged in, users can see your font. And the draft, it just means that those who have an account on MemoryNS can see your descriptions. I also want to go back into the editing function of the archival description and talk to you about the drop-down menus. When you're filling out your repository or anything else with a drop-down menu, do not type in your information quickly, but allow the autofill to let you select your institution from the list. So to do that, you start typing, and then it pops up, Council of Nova Scotia Archives. And now you can save that, and there'll be no problems when you're creating your forms. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.